How to delete app that is hidden on iPhone home screen. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the settings application on your device. Here, tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all the apps in your iPhone. However, if you want to see the hidden apps, then scroll down to the bottom and you will see the Hidden Apps tab. Tap on the Hidden Apps option and further, go ahead and tap on the app that you want to delete and you will see the option for Delete App. Tap on that and when prompted, tap on Delete again. Doing this will delete the app and all the related data from this iPhone. Make sure that this action cannot be undone. So, this is how you can delete apps that are hidden on iPhone home screen. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.